Hi, good afternoon. My name is Franz Ivan. I would like to ask for Mr. Binondo and for girl, Miss Sesame City. For Mr. Binondo, correct me if I'm wrong, you joined last year or last 2 years ago in Mr. Miss Chinatown. Is it correct?
2022, yes.
O, di ba? Parati kami nandito. So anyhow, my question is, what specific improvement did you do para mag-improve ka in this competition?
Over the past 2 years, I've been having some discovery about myself. I've been through speech therapists. I've been through consulting my fellow candidates, my past candidates, previous batches, and how myself to be improved. I joined runway shows. I joined another pageant just this year, and what I can say is that through those experiences, I was able to gain a much more confident person that you will see in this pageant 2024 as compared 2 years ago. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So next question. You joined pageant like 2 or 3 na. You joined Miss Philippines Earth, and then last year is Miss Tourism. What specific lesson have you learned from these 2 pageants that you are bringing here in Mr. and Miss China?
Thank you for that. I believe that for the longest time I've been joining pageants since it was a passion already. And this pageant is one of the most favorite that I want to join. This is my third time. For the recent pageants I have, they were very challenging. The one thing I learned from that is that I find my purpose. And aside from my purpose, I find my own confidence and to bring back my mental health. Because those times, I have a breakdown, I have a mental breakdown. I experience like a body shaming. I experience that I'm insecure about myself. I'm not enough. But this time, this is different. Like what Ms. Vanessa said, this is different. This is very unique. And I love what they said, or organizers said, that we have the foundation. And I would like to put that. And I like to operate with that foundation. It's not just for me, but also to operate with others, also their foundation, so also to find purpose in their life. And aside from that, the confidence they bring back, the mental health they bring back, and also the passion they bring back. And also for the next pageant like this one, I believe that this is the very wholesome pageant that they bring out the best in me.
Thank you. And for my last question for Miss Vanessa. Miss Vanessa, pageant season na kasi ngayon. So, ang daming mga pageants na international and local. Why pageant fans focus also in your competition or in your pageant?
Because we are unique. We're not here to compete with the big pageant in our country. You know, for me, we are doing this because we have a purpose. You know, my dad, as a Chinoy, he is proud of his heritage. This candidates here are just proud to be part of the Filipino-Chinese community. We are celebrating our heritage, and we will continue to celebrate it. We will not forget it, and we will be proud of it. Thank you.
May wait na ba tayo kung kailan yung pageants?
Yes, we have, but to be announced.
Thank you.
John Hall and Miss Jay from I'd like to call Mr. Chinatown Philippines, Manila, and Miss Chinatown, Dasmariñas, my hometown.
Wow! Iba!
Okay, my first question is for Mr. Chinatown Philippines, Manila. What do you love most about joining Mr. and Miss Chinatown pageant?
The most exciting thing that I've discovered in just joining my first pageant, Mr. Chinatown 2024, is that the sponsors are so generous.
Wow!
And the second is how I'm able to connect with all these candidates, making genuine connection with each and every one of you. And I'm so appreciative of how this is already starting out.
Your hometown.
Okay, my question for you is, how will you prove yourself that you are worthy enough for this crown?
Thank you for that question. As a young Chinese descent with dual heritage, I believe that I am worthy enough to be in this pageant because I am blessed enough to have a Filipino and Chinese heritage in my blood. And I will use that heritage to inspire the present and respect and honor the past of our generation. And that is what makes me worthy of this competition. And lastly, as a previous Binibining Dasma candidate, as a butterfly, I know that I have what it takes because a butterfly soars high and fly and inspires and empowers everything that it passes through. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And best of luck.
Ay, iba.
I'm Arlo from Miss Vanessa. Actually, ma'am, last year I covered the event. So, at NPAC, right? You work?
Yes.
Last year. I was assigned to cover this, although I have another beat. I cover education kasi nandito community. Pero since I came from lifestyle, so pag walang ibang assign, ako pa rin na-assign. Honestly, ma'am, I asked about this pageant today. And nag-message po ako doon sa Facebook page ng Mr. and Miss Chinatown, and they said that that's not us. So ibig sabihin, there is another group, but of course yours is the original.
Yes, we are the official and license holder of Mr. and Miss Chinatown Philippines. Nothing else, the only one in the Philippines. Yes. I am confident. Yeah, so my main focus is Mr. and Miss Chinatown Philippines 2024. As I said, we're not here to compete with different pageantry in the Philippines. My main focus is to continue the legacy of my dad, the chairman of Miss Chinatown Foundation Philippines and the chairman of Mr. and Miss Chinatown Philippines. So, yeah, I answered your question.
Thank you so much to the press. Now, last 3 questions. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ferdy from Eventology. To Miss Vanessa, congratulations on your new position. What one innovation you would want to introduce to Mr. and Miss Chinatown that would really elevate the pageant?
As you can see, this is the start where we present the places. So there's San Juan, Manila. Yeah, as you can see, it's inside Metro Manila, but it doesn't matter. So this is the start of something new to the pageantry of Mr. and Miss Chinatown. Maybe next year we go regional, maybe. But this is the start of something new and something to look forward to in Mr. and Miss Chinatown.
When you saw the new crown of Mr. and Miss Chinatown Philippines, what was your first impression?
Because for me, that is a priceless, priceless part of the history of the Mr. and Miss Chinatown Philippines. Actually, hindi ko nga siya nasabi kanina. For me, what's important is we have the support of our crown maker from the very start up to this year. We have the people who's here to support us. What else? I think history speaks for itself.
Yeah, thank you.
Congratulations and best of luck. The question is for Pasay, I'm sorry. Pasig also, sige na, para dalawa kayo. What are you looking forward in the competition? Lalaki pareho. Mr.
What I look forward to in the competition would, of course, be the journey, because I believe the journey is where 99% of the experience, the enjoyment is. Yes, we have the coronation night and some other big events, but it is within the journey where we get to learn and discover ourselves, where we get to rekindle and make new connections, have beautiful friendships, and get to appreciate and learn more about ourselves. What are our impulses like? Where are we lacking? And with all of that, it just helps us to evolve and strive to become a better person each and every day of our lives, as how we all should be. Thank you.
Sorry, what was the question?
What are you looking forward in the competition?
I look forward to more learnings about it, since especially it's my first time joining a pageant. And I came here with a purpose, and that is to improve on myself and to learn more and try out new things every single time.
Thank you. Good luck.
Okay, thank you so much. Now, last question from the press.
Good afternoon. I would like to ask Ms. Paula from Pageant News International. I would like to ask Ms. Manila. Sino pa hindi natatanong?
Lahat na.
Manila and Mr. Sandro.
Antipolo.
Rizal.
Antipolo din. Lahat din mo.
Your question is, what personal qualities or experiences do you believe make you a strong representative or make you stand out of both the Filipino and Chinese community? Start of this moment.
Thank you for that question. Can I clarify? Your question is pertaining to personal trait or quality?
Personal qualities and values or experiences to make you strong or strong.
So, a personal quality of mine that I am really proud of is my persistence. Because in anything I go through in life, even though I'm so convinced that I'm not able to go through this, that there are so many bad affirmations coming into my mind, that I am able to self-reassure and convince myself that, hey, you can take a deep breath and you can tell yourself it's okay, and anything, if it's anything bad or good, you can go through it with a big smile. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. Thank you so much to everybody who has participated.
Antipolo.
Thank you, sir, for that question. So, just to answer your question, I feel like what I could bring in this competition and why I'm a strong person that could, identify with the strat is I was also raised very differently. I also have a province in Subic, Olongapo. I was also raised in a Filipino school. At the same time, we also move a lot. So I also got the chance to study in a Chinese school. I was also in Taiwan for almost a year. And really growing up, I could see the differences between the culture. And being Filipino Chinese, the new generation, I think it's time for us youth to mix the two cultures and find the best so that it could impact our community and better yet our country. That's what I do. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much to all the questions right now. Thank you so much as well to Ms. Vanessa and Jersey. You may now take your seats. Thank you so much. And that officially concludes our Q&A session. Once again, a big warm round of applause for a great job to our candidates.
Thank you so much for all that participated. And I hope you got your answers
practice for sure.
Okay,
Now,
practice.
at this point, candidates, we would like to take this opportunity to acknowledge our sponsors for their continuous support for this amazing pageant this year.
非常感谢我们的赞助商。
So first, our co-presenters, we have Miss Chinatown Foundation,
Next, we have Chinatown CD,
Star Paper Corporation.
Hoseki Jewelry Art.
For our platinum sponsors, Ogata Manila,
Our gold sponsors, In Life,
Yokosuka Handcrafted Eyewear,
Xiaomi,
Recico Entertainment Production.
Apartment 8 Clothing,
For our silver sponsors, Golden Bay,
Health and Beauty,
Look Folk Jewelry Group,
Good Luck Hot Pot,
Master Seeds Enterprises,
Ascension Media,
Xiotia Asian Cuisines,
Skin Substitute,
GB Shoes.
Uniman,
For our bronze sponsors, John Robert Powers,
New Victory, the original Oriental shop,
Demon Guru Philippines, 9 years in the business,
Meg Rosales,
USC Gin Philippines,
and we have Alike,
Bam Bam Special Crispy Moose,
Kingsley All Natural,
Kangkong King,
The Century Seafood Restaurant,
Kobe Rocky,
Kyoto Spaces,
Katingo Oil and Ointment,
and of course we have our beneficiary, Cerebral Palsy and Epilepsy Family Awareness Support Group, PH.
and of course thank you as well to our Chinese Federations for your support. We have the Philippine Jinjiang General Association Incorporated,
Philippine Jinjiang Chamber of Commerce Incorporated,
and the Grand Family Association of the Philippines Incorporated. Once again, to all the sponsors here with us today, thank you all so much for your unwavering support.
谢谢你们，谢谢我们的赞助商一直以来支持我们。